Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix the can't install or download Sword of Convallaria app on Android from Play Store issue. First, ensure your Android device meets the minimum system requirements for the Sword of Convallaria app. To do this, you can check the app's description on the Play Store. Next, we will try clearing the Google Play Store app's cache and data. This can resolve issues caused by corrupted data. Open your phone's Settings app, then tap on Apps or Application Manager depending on your device. Find and tap on the Google Play Store app. Go to Storage and tap on Clear Cache. After that, tap on Clear Data. If clearing the cache and data doesn't work, we can try uninstalling and reinstalling Play Store updates. Go back to the Google Play Store app info in your phone's Settings app. Tap on the three vertical dots in the top right corner and select Uninstall Updates. Restart your phone and open the Play Store again. This should prompt the Play Store to update to the latest version. Sometimes enabling unknown sources temporarily can help resolve installation issues. Go to your phone's settings and then tap on Security. Enable the unknown sources option. This will allow you to install apps from sources other than the Play Store. Remember to disable this option after installing the Sword of Convallaria app. Now we will download the APK file for Sword of Convallaria from a trusted third-party website. Ensure the website is reputable and provides virus-free files. You can search for Sword of Convallaria app on your browser. Once the APK file is downloaded, open it using a file manager app on your phone. You might be asked to grant permission to install the app. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After successfully installing the Sword of Convallaria app, it is important to disable the unknown sources option that we had enabled earlier. Go back to settings of security and disable it. Finally, restart your phone to ensure that all changes take effect. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.